Oh! So guys, we're back on the road. We're now going to the tizi and tichka. I had quite a good sleep. I'm still sick sadly, but I'm feeling better after having quite a strong caffeine tea. That's our situation now. I have heard that the tizi and tichka is supposed to be a really great motorcycle road, so I can't wait to reach there. My hotel was really nice. I didn't pay a lot of money, had good dinner, but the thing is, like in every hotel they have the same food for dinner here, so slowly it's getting kind of repetitive, to be honest. I just bought some water that I strapped to my bike because we were running low on water. I'm not sure how we will continue after the tizi and tichka. We will probably get a hotel close to Marakech. We're really close to arriving at the tizi and tichka. You can already see the Atlas Mountains. The landscape is changing. Like we have been in the Atlas Mountains before now, but we're getting closer to the other side of them. So we are seeing grass, and we have not seen grass in a while. Also, the curves till now here have been quite fun. The landscape here is really gorgeous. I'm realizing that I'm feeling way better today with the cold. I still struggle with it, but it feels definitely better. But I still have problems riding the bike with concentration and physical performance. Like I already said before, I'm a bit burned out from traveling, so I decided to, after the tizi and tichka, to make my way to Casablanca, have a look at Casablanca, and then go home. I mean, not go home straight away, but like get on the way back. Oh, this is nice. I like this. This is how I want it. People apparently are selling little stones on the side, like with the crystals on the inside. It's really quite nice to see the Atlas Mountains, because it gives a nice comparison to the Pyrenees, because it looks so totally different with all the red stone and the red earth. Oh, police. I always put down my camera when I see police, because I read on the internet that they absolutely do not like getting filmed and being on camera somewhere. So I will absolutely respect that. Until now, I had only good encounters with the police here in Morocco. Even better than in Germany. It was really chill. Like, I didn't expect that. But I'm still really careful because it's a different country, and you know, the view here is just incredible. You can see so far. We arrived at the tizi and tichka. So guys, we can see in the whole valley of the Atlas Mountains now. It's really cool. I like the view. To be honest, I must say I'm really done. I'm coughing all the time. My lips are really dry from the desert and also from being sick. Honestly, that day in Chevy really kicked the shit out of me. Like, made me really want to be home because I was really scared, I must say. Also, my helm is damaged. Like, I crashed with the helmet and hit the back of my helmet. And also something has hit the visor, because as you guys can see, it opens really hard. Like, you know, like I have to use quite a lot of strength to get it open. I will now be driving close to Marakech, get some food there, and then continue my way to Casablanca. To be honest, I still had more stuff planned for Morocco, but I'm just too tired, and I'm also running out of time. My time schedule kind of makes me need to go home too. And I mean, I could try to hustle through all the things like in as quick as possible, but like how I'm feeling at the moment. I'm not really liking that idea so far, and I must say I enjoyed the trip through Europe on my way to Morocco kind of more than Morocco itself. Oh, this is such an incredible view. You can see through the mountains. So let's pull off here and see how the view is. Let's take a picture for the thumbnail down the road. So, a thing that must be said, being sick and feeling really weak and stuff like that is, if you do something like this, can happen and is kind of part of traveling. It's probably something that you don't really see often in travel vlogs and so on, but it definitely happens. Also, dealing with the loneliness, that was something that was really getting to me the last few days. Like, the thing I was saying earlier about the loneliness is actually quite important, because like when you travel, like in general, not just like here in Morocco or not just motorcycle riding, and you go through like really incredible landscapes and so on, and you're just like alone all the time, kind of makes you depressed at some point, because you will kind of want to share this experience with someone. I mean, I'm sharing it with you guys, but I already like had the experience when I was like in other countries, like in Australia and so on, that when you're like if you're alone for like a super long time while traveling, at some point it starts to fuck with you. It's not always that great. I mean, it works well for some time. For some people, that's really important to say. Like, there are people who get this, what I'm describing, like really, really quickly. For me, it's roughly around a month, and then I start to feel weird and shit, which is roughly now. Actually, those roads here are quite nice. I enjoy this. Ooh, this is fun. I like this. The rocks start to look different. They're now way darker here. I really enjoy those long swept turns. That is like motorcycle riding wise what I'm into. That's fun for me. This guy is kind of driving all over the road. This guy maybe now decide for one lane and stick to it. That would be really cool. Oh! Literally, I was saying, can this guy decide for one lane of the road? And I could see into the turn, decided to overtake, and for some reason he was going wide. For some reason, I literally do not know why he went wide. What a shitty situation. But I must say, this is such a beautiful road here, and the Atlas Mountains are just really impressive. It's something so different. So guys, I just had some food and I will now get a hotel outside of Marrakech, and then tomorrow we will continue our road to Casablanca. So now in my hotel room, I just did some editing right here, and quite happy with the room. It's quite a good one. I like it here. Now we'll get some shut-eye to continue tomorrow my trip to Casablanca. We're back on the road. I just have gotten some We are today driving over the autoroute to Casablanca from Marrakech. Yesterday I looked up the ferries to Europe. The ferries are quite shit, to be honest. There's only one that kind of fits my budget, and I didn't manage to get a cabinet because we will take the ferry all the way to Barcelona. So I only have a deck ticket. So I will be 50 hours without a bed or anything. Hopefully I find a comfortable chair or like a couch or something I can crash on in the boat. But for now we will continue our way to Casablanca.
C'est pas vraiment tout chose de la moto, c'est au moins clé. Il tient encore une chambre pour une personne?
Pour une personne?
Ouais.
Ça marche.
Ok.
Tomorrow I will turn around and go back to Europe, and to be honest I'm kind of looking forward to that, which is yeah, just like I've been on the road now for so long and I just can't wait to get home again, see my family and feel at home somewhere again. Also I'm still sick, which really sucks.